I think you could have done it if
I
if it was just
don't wanna.
him. I think
I'm
you
sitting
could.
on 3K.
No, I
Yeah,
understand.
I agree.
Why is it recommending me AD items? It's a little weird. What do you need?
I need armor pen. Wait, Mortal Reminder doesn't give armor pen. Wait. So, do I just sit on Executioners and build Last Whisper?
Yeah.
Okay. I just bought IE, so I probably might do damage.
Careful.
Okay. It's okay. Just a prank.
Prank you. Alright, this turret's still up. I'm gonna grab the next person I see. Lucian has Gale Force, which is nerfed, so we'll insta-win. We're getting our inhib back soon.
They could be camping up here.
It's just this guy.
Yep. They're all there.
Oh, I'm gonna turn that. Nope!
Oh my god.
Anywhere. Big shield for everybody. I'm gonna flash on these guys here. Over the wall. Ah, damn. Almost.
A Quadra.
This is your penta. He's gonna stun him. Don't let him flash. What the fuck are you doing? I have lantern. Let's fucking go, dude.